Finally gonna get to use this lamb seasoning from WildEats. Already patted everything dry, remove some of that extra moisture. Smells so good. Yeah, so we're just sprinkling it on some lamb chops. I'm super excited to try out the seasoning. I heard so much about it. Sprinkle it on there generously. All right, we got them flipped over. Gonna get the other side. Don't worry about some spilling over. We'll use that to get the sides really well. The beauty of this stuff is a little goes a long way. I'm gonna go ahead now and make sure it gets in there really nicely. And now we'll go ahead and use all of that excess to get the sides. You want that flavor all over it. So we got them pretty well seasoned. Let's get the pan hot. You need these at 145 internal temp to make sure that they're done and safe to eat. We got some avocado oil. Alrighty, let's get these on there. Oh wow, I can already smell it. So we'll do like 4 minutes on each side. Go ahead and flip them. Oh yeah. Looks good. Nice and seared. Now that we got that, let's just get the sides just a little bit. Looks so good, and I wish you guys could smell this. You just want to make sure you don't overdo them because lamb's pretty easy to overdo. And these are ready. We'll just finish them off with some finishing salt, as this seasoning doesn't have any salt in it, which is the beauty of it, especially with people who have high blood pressure and whatnot, and lets you just season the salt, you know, to your liking. So great stuff here. So let's go ahead and take these out. We'll hit it with a little bit of finishing salt, and it's that easy, guys. Wham, bam, thank you, lamb. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Look at this deliciousness. It's so easy to prepare. Can get this done in like 15 minutes. Enjoy. Perfect medium. Before I forget, pair it with some nice red wine. Have a good one, y'all.